my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. For today's video, what I'm going to do is I will save my tips. You know, I'm working as a server in a restaurant, and my tips from hold on, February. Yes, I haven't I haven't spent it yet. I just keep it for the purpose of saving it for our travel in the future or this year or next year. So what I'm going to do with this money is I will save it into 100 envelope saving challenge as well as saving around the world. So let's count these tips. So it's 100, 200, 300, 400. So each of this is 100. I already changed it into smaller notes. That's why it's like this. So it's 100, 200, 300. So 700. So that, yeah, 700, 50, 70, 80, 90, 800, 820. Okay, for 2 months, I got 820. Yay. All right, so what I'm going to do about the 100 envelope challenge. Last year, I didn't do it, but this year, I will do it. And I already have $200 here. So each of this pocket, I'll try to save 100 each pocket. So it's going to be, or each envelope. So it's going to be a 10,000 goal. So for this two envelope here, my husband gave me this $200. That's why it's already here. That's his extra money. So now what I'm going to save here is this $400. So for our tips, comes it's a monthly basis. So they gave it to us monthly, and I just keep on. I spend some, but most of the money I'll save. I'm not a spender. If you're new in my on my channel, I'm not a spender. I'm a saver. I save and I spend it on our travel, on our family gatherings or family fun like that, or something else. Not on this the thing that I don't need. Okay, so let's continue with the other saving challenge. So for this one, it's from Teach Save Trouble. This is my first time I'm doing it, so bear with me. And I will using a 20-sided dice. Okay, this is a 20-sided dice and a 4-sided dice. This saving challenge is up to which number? 22? Because this one is additional. It's from Mel of Mamshi Queen. It's actually until here only. Or until, yeah, it's only 21 pages. 22 including the front page. So what if I land on 20 and then it's in 23 or 24, it means that it's only 20. Okay, so if it's not doesn't roll 20 and it's just 18 or 17 plus 2, I will not add it up. If it's just happened that it's roll 20. Okay, so let's start. Let me arrange this. I need more space, but let's see. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, let's start now. So 5 doesn't, I will not add this one because it's just 5. So 5, it's Antarctica. And per penguin here is $20. So I save $20 here. And get the envelope. You see, it's empty. This is the empty envelope. So it's tape number 5, which is Antarctica, and we save here $20. Let's roll. So 15. 15 is Maya Bay of Thailand. So each icon is $10. So we save here $10. Oh, it doesn't have. Okay. I cannot do it like this. I don't have enough space for this one. So let's take it out. Okay. Hold on. So $10. And cross this out. So I need to go to number 15 envelope. Okay, next one. 19. So we go on 19. Which is roll and save. Okay, roll and save. So roll and save our just 20-sided dice. So let's roll this dice. So $3. And let's change 20 into prop money. Because I don't want to use. Okay. Plus this is 20. Okay, I grab this one. This 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, okay. So this one, I'll put it on the side and I will put it on empty envelope later on. So $3 here. Okay. And put it in Mexico. Mexico. Okay. Next one. 16. So go back. Okay, go back to 16. And each icon is $20. So it's Tokyo, Japan. Watashi wa lovely desu. I know some, but not much. So 10. I used to work in Japanese company and I learned some Japanese words, but not much. No, it's 16. Why I put it there? Okay. Another roll. So 8. So I need to go back 8 here. 7 and 8. Oh, Iceland, the Blue Lagoon. See that? Iceland. Roll and save. So let's roll the 20-sided dice. So $6. So let's get $6 here. 2, 4, 6. And get number 8 envelope. Okay, Iceland. Next roll until we finish this, but it's a long one, I think. So 13. 13 is Jordan. Jordan, each icon is $10. So to make it fast, I will make 2 icon then. So that I can easily finish the money. I just changed my mind. It's my channel, so it's okay. Because I'm running out of time. I need to go back to work. So 20. 14. 14 is roll the dice. Vietnam. So save 294 is a Hang Long Bay, Vietnam. So need to six-sided dice here and roll it. Let me roll two. Let me roll two so I can scratch two. I can, so 2 and 5, so 7. 2 and 5. Okay, $7. I think I will run out of money here. So let's go change it. So $7 and put it on Vietnam. Next, 11. Go back here. So Dubai, UAE, Dubai. So how many? Let's put 10 in here. I just 5, 4, and 1. So I don't need to put coins. 11. Next one. So 1, which is beautiful Belize. I'm not used to have this kind of binder like the mushroom ring, this one. So that's why it's quite difficult for me now. So let's roll. Let's save $10 also. No, let's do 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $20. Next one. You know what? I get rid of this tower. And play it with my hand. Okay. So 7. 7 is Italian Riviera. $20 per icon. Let's put here. So 40. 7. Next. 12. Going back to Jordan. So $10. Let's put another 20 here. So 12. So which of this country you like to go? So for me, on my bucket list, I want to go to UK. I want to see the Buckingham Palace. I don't know if I pronounce it right. And I want to go to France as well. It's just in a bucket list, but I never know. So 16. 16 is Japan. Anata ni aitakute, aitakute. All right, I know some Japanese songs too. So I will mark here too. to boarding pass. Yeah, boarding pass, chop or what? Yeah. So $40. Moreno yoru wa anata no yokomoe mo. Next. 3. Oops, somebody is messaging me. 3. Hang on. So it's Galapagos Island. So let's say here 20. Let's cross this out. 1, 10, 20. Okay. You don't need to roll and select which one. Which one. Next one. So 8. Iceland. I think I didn't mark it down before. Let's see if I mark it down. Yeah, I didn't mark it down. I roll 6. So 6. So now let's roll 12. So 12. And here we go. $12. So $18. Next, 16. Another Tokyo. So let's save here another 20. So now 80, right? 16. $70. 2468. No, it should be 80. Why 70? It's $20 each icon. So I think I made a mistake. Okay, just change it into this. 20, 40, 60, 80. I should be 80. I think I'll just clear it later. So another. So 15. 15 is Thailand. Each icon is $10. So let's put $20 here. Thailand is 10. And 10 envelope. Someone's game. 20. Oh no, why Romania? 15. Okay. Next one. 5. 5 is, I think, my 5. Penguin. Okay. Antarctica. So let's put here $40. Antarctica number 5. Next one. 2. Oh, first time. Whoa. Costa Rica. So it's a roll and save. Let's roll. Oh, let's combine now. Hold on. So 11. Let's do 2. 8. So 19. Let's get 20. Oh, 19. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 19 for Costa Rica, number 2. I know it will. Next one, 12. 12 is Jordan. So let's save here another 20. Yes. So total now is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. Let's see if I'm correct. 12. Yeah, correct. Let's, so how much left here? And then, okay, 53. 4. First time, 4. Oh no. Argentina and Brazil. Brazil. La, 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 la. Okay, Iguana Falls in Argentina. Okay, let's roll. 600 dice. Let's roll 2. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 8. So 8. So we need some change. Hmm. Hold on. Let me change this one first. And I come back. Just hang on. Okay, so it's $8. Let's change this into and keep it. This is the prop money that I use here. It's total of 40 now. Okay, so $8. 1, 2, 3, $8. And number 4 envelope, which is Argentina. Okay, next one. Yay, where's my dice? See, I lost it now. Right there. Okay. So 20. Okay. Let's do 20 first. So it's Paris, France. So let's 20 per icon per seal. So let's save here 40. Yay. And save it into my my bucket list is Paris 20 Paris 20 20 20 20. Okay. It's on my bucket list. Last money. Let's see where it will go. So 8. 8. Let's see. Here we go. So just roll the dice. Pop. So 3. Let's roll one more. 11. So total of 14. So I owe here $9. I just write down here first because I don't have my iOS sleep. Okay, so let's put there here in my envelope number 8, which is Iceland. All right, so I'm consolidate the prop money here and change it into real money upcom. So that's it for now, ladies. So you will see this saving challenges once a month. That's why I do it just higher than the amount in here. I only do it when my tips arrive. So instead of using the 52 weeks challenge, that For my travel fund, I use this saving challenge. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Be humble and grateful. Make saving habit. Bye. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. God bless. Till next time. Bye.